Goes over the middle. Kelsey. Oh, it's picked off. It's Makuba who's got it. And room to run. One man to beat. Oh. And he's taken out. Andrew Makuba, the rookie from Texas, on the bounce off of Kelsey.
I'm thankful and humbled to have an opportunity.
He's in trouble here, and he's humbled and taken down. Nakobe Dean was at sacks in 3 straight games.
Both games are on ABC, ESPN, and the ESPN app. Barkley, first down, goodbye. Eagles on top, no flags. Watch them break the huddle. Right to the ball, tight formation, a pitch, and the race. And Barkley wins it.
Blasted after a pick up of 1. You got Jordan Davis making his presence felt.